If you are interested in charging devices like chargers or power banks, you must know the brand called SHARGEEK. Their famous Storm2 you must also have seen somewhere. This unique look is really rare and is a very popular design style among geeks. We recently got our hands on another version of the Storm2, the Storm2 Slim. The Storm2 Slim box is really simple, with colorful lettering on a black background. Open the box, there are a woven bag and a manual. Inside the woven bag, there is a 1.5 meter yellow C-to-C cable that supports PD100W. Means you do not need to find an extra high specification wire. Received the power bank can be used directly. Like Storm2, the biggest selling point of Storm2 Slim is definitely the design of the transparent shell. The transparent shell allows you to see the internal circuit boards and electronic components. I need to tell you that this is not a decoration, but a real working circuit board. The 4 purple columns are for 21,700 lithium batteries. This type of battery and Tesla's car battery is the same. The advantage of this battery is the best balance between size and capacity. Geeks must love the design, and even non-geeks will think that the power bank is very high tech. The small screen from Storm2 is of course retained in the Slim version. Next to the screen are buttons to operate it. Why is the Storm2 Slim smaller than the Storm2? The answer lies in its front. You can see that it lacks a Type-C port and a DC port, and the number of batteries is cut in half. This is the price of the smaller size. However, considering that most people do not use the DC port, reducing the size should be a change that the public would prefer. While the transparent shell is very nice to look at, it is also very easy to scratch. So you can see that SHARGEEK gave a woven bag and the power bank wrapped tightly. It is to prevent you from accidentally scratching it. Anyway, this is the only one with such a cool Cyberpunk style power bank, and I believe you will be hard pressed to find a better looking power bank than this one. Let's talk about this little screen. It shows everything about the power bank. For example, charging power, voltage and current, remaining current, and even battery pack and circuit board temperature. Because it is equipped with the same energy storage management OS as Storm2, you can make more detailed settings for its screen. This small screen is the equivalent of a voltage current tester embedded in a power bank. This has the advantage that if you are like me, you are very concerned about whether the device is charging at maximum power. Then this power bank is just right for you. After all, if it's not charging at maximum power, there is no point in me buying such a high-powered power bank. Geeks won't buy it if it just looks good but doesn't do good. That's why SHARGEEK has equipped the power bank with a 72 watt-hour battery pack, which is equivalent to 20,000 milliampere hours. Because its capacity is below the maximum capacity limit that most airlines allow on board, you can take it on the plane without any problems. It has 2 charging ports with a maximum output of 130 watts at the same time, and a single port can also output up to 100 watt. The input power is also capable of reaching about 65 watt. Charging compatibility performance is also very good. The USB-A port supports all protocols except PD protocol, QC 4.0 and VOOC- protocol, and the USB-C port supports QC5, PD 3.0 and PPS protocols. PDO has 5 fixed sets of levels covering 5 to 20 volts. The 2 port protocols add up to cover the full range of protocols. So don't worry about your device not being able to fast charge. There is always a protocol that can handshake with your device. We tested the devices we have. Charging the Xiaomi 12 Pro supports up to 20 watt. Mi 11 Ultra supports up to 28 watt. Redmi K50 Gaming Edition up to 42 watt. Redmi Note 10 Pro China version supports up to 15 watt. iPhone 11 supports up to 8 watt. Oppo Find X5 Pro up to 17 watt. Huawei Mate 40 Pro up to 11 watt. Oppo Pad supports up to 13 watt. Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet supports up to 15 watt. Lenovo Xiaomi Pad Pro 12.6 up to 16 watt. The Nintendo Switch supports up to 8 watt at 90% power. Can activate TV mode. So why would we buy such an expensive power bank? If only for the high power or compatibility? There are many cheaper power banks on the market to choose from. The only reason why you should choose the Storm2 Slim is its beautiful appearance. As you can see from the name of the brand SHARGEEK, they wanted to make something that geeks would like. And they did. There are few things in the world that will make you fall in love. So if you fall in love with the Storm2 Slim at first glance, don't hesitate, just buy it. That's the end of this video. I'm Kieran, and we'll see you next time.